Are you worried about passing your sterile processing certification? Well, worry no more. The Sterile Processing 101 certification prep course is here to prep you to pass your exam on the first attempt. Don't you want to walk into your exam having full confidence that you'll pass? I designed this course to make studying simple and to provide you ultimate confidence as you step into that testing center and get your sterile processing certification. This course provides you with video lessons and written lessons to ensure that you have the ability to learn in whichever manner works best for you. This course is broken down into simple terms and walks you step by step through everything you need to know about the sterile processing exam and to do your job as a sterile processing technician. In total, you're getting 450 certification practice exam questions. This course also has access to a community where you can study and form relationships with other sterile processing technicians as they prepare for their certification exam as well. Upon purchasing this course, you'll have immediate access to the members area where you can access your course anytime from anywhere.